Hey, howdy, hi, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, night, evening, wherever you are. This is going to be a quick and dirty tutorial for obtaining the GlitchCon badge for 2020. Obviously, it's the newest year, so they have a new GlitchCon badge. If you haven't seen it, it's a badge with a little dinosaur on it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so first thing to do is go to twitch.tv/Twitch. Hit enter. This is the main website right here, or not the website, but the channel. And what you're going to have to do is go to the chat. And you see all these people trying to get it. So for this one, followers only. So you have to follow them. And then if you go to the little chat settings here, you can see, click on your identity, edit. This is what I have currently. My badges, I only have the Prime Gaming, but I want the GlitchCon. So the only thing that you have to do, pretty simple, is obey the chat rules. Go in here, blah, 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 enter. I do this a couple times just to be on the safe side. Blah, 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 enter. And then you should be able to go right here. Okay, so sometimes if you don't see it yet, all you have to do is hit refresh, which I'm just going to hit F5. And there you go. Boom, just like that. So you can go ahead and go to any stream channel that you are chatting with or viewing, and you can update your icons there and then change the color. All right, pretty simple, pretty easy. I think that is everything that you need to know. And if this video has helped you, then go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch if you like. I will be coming out with more videos in the future. But this one is just, like I said, a quick and easy tutorial for those of you that are trying to obtain the GlitchCon 2020 badge. So take care, guys. Have a good day.